Hi guys, and welcome to Cultnomics. My name is Paul Hanley, and today I'm going to be chatting to you about shifting the supply curve. Hi guys, in this video here we're going to look at the impact of both an increase in supply and a decrease in supply on market equilibrium price and quantity. So we're going to start off here on the left hand side where we have a market with P1 for equilibrium price, Q1 for equilibrium quantity. The example we look at is an increase in supply, and in order to show that increase in supply we're going to shift our supply curve S1 over to the right as shown. So the supply curve shifts to the right as the arrow indicates, and we're going to call that S2 over here. At the original price of P1 we now have a gap opened up in the market, and that gap is between the old quantity demanded at Q1 and the new quantity supplied, which is over here at QS. So that gap that we've indicated here is a surplus situation in the market. And what that means is there's excess supply in the market. With excess supply, what tends to happen is in order to clear that market, prices tend to decrease. And in this instance here, as prices decrease, it causes the quantity supplied to decrease as well, according to the law of supply. Also, as prices decrease, this causes quantity demanded to increase according to the law of demand. So what happens with both of these factors here is that we find a new equilibrium price and quantity as indicated by the red dot, where the price level on the market decreases overall down to P2 and the quantity level increases overall from Q1 up to Q2 over here. So an increase in supply causes a decrease in equilibrium price and an increase in equilibrium quantity. In example number 2 over here, we have a decrease in supply. So first off, we want to show what happens on a diagram, and a decrease in supply is shown by a leftward shift of the supply curve. And we show that with our blue line here, which we will label S2, indicating a leftward shift of our supply curve. Again, we'll start off with P1, the original price, and we'll see what's the gap that opens up in the market. Well, our initial quantity demanded is at Q1. Now our new quantity supplied is over here at QS. So we can see that the quantity supplied is now a lot lower than the quantity demanded on the market. In this type of situation here, what tends to happen is the price will start to rise as customers demand the product and producers react to that by increasing prices. So as prices increase on the market, what will happen is, according to the law of supply, quantity supplied will increase, and also as prices increases, according to the law of demand, quantity demanded will decrease. So both of these forces will work to clear the market to acquire a new equilibrium, and the new equilibrium is at the blue dot where we have P2, which is an increase in equilibrium price, and down here we'll have our Q2, which is a decrease in equilibrium quantity. So overall, a decrease in supply causes prices to rise and quantity, both demanded and supplied, to decrease on the market. I hope you call back to Cultnomics soon. Bye for now.